5.
The ongoing tussle between the Shillong Press Club SPC, the Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association or MEPA and the Voice of the People Party VPP took another turn after the VPP Youth Wing announced to hold a bike rally against the two media bodies today. The SPC and MEPA had lashed out at the VPP's Youth Wing for making an allegedly racist remark in a social media post against one of the signatories to the letter seeking apology from VPP President Ardan Basayaumat for making baseless allegations against two news channels and accusing them of disseminating fake news. Meanwhile, earlier today, the bike rally called by the VPP Youth Wing was stopped by district authorities and the police as it is in violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Earlier in an exclusive interview to the DD News Meghalaya, VPP Chief Ardan Basayaumat had categorically denied any apology to the press bodies. You can watch this full interview on DD News Meghalaya YouTube channel.